Hi Grace. Okay, so just to save some time, I'm trying to record a video to show you about this craft that we can do for the Valentine's Day craft, which is a flower. And so to start with, we have the materials that we need. We have optional like stems. We could use one of these metal pieces, wire, to be the stem, or a pencil, or like I said, a pipe cleaner would also work. And then for the flower itself, we have different kinds of colors of ribbons, and we basically buy big rolls of like these ribbons, and then we cut it up in half, and then just cut it in pieces, so that way it strips like this. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have a straight piece of ribbon that's about probably 2 pencils, I would say, or 2.5 pencils as long. And then we want to make a fold of one end of the ribbon and into a 90-degree angle like this, leaving about probably 1 inch so that you can grab it. And then we're going to start rolling slowly, just folding the edge right here into like kind of like a flag looking shape. So when you're finished, you will have this kind of L-shaped flag with this part already folded. And then the next part is going to be kind of a little tricky. Most people, if they have any trouble, it would be this part. It's going to involve two motions. You're going to be twisting with this thumb right here on the left side. You're going to be twisting left when at the same time the right thumb is pushing the flower back. So this way to the left, the right finger to the right. So left to left, right to right. So we're going to be folding left here and folding down to form a flower. So you will grab it, and then so you kind of roll it to the left a little bit, and then you're going to go down, repeat the same step to start forming. So you'll start doing the same motion again, and kind of like roll it, twist it at the same time. Whatever you need to do to make the circle start forming kind of like a flower shape here. So you'll see it start forming, and then roll it down again. So basically you're repeating the same steps over and over. And again, you will see that the flower is slowly forming when you keep rolling and twisting. So on left side, you twist the finger, and the right side, you push down, fold down at the same time. So you will start seeing the flower form in slow motion, and you will just keep rolling down, and you can see that the flower is forming. And keep going until you get to the end of the ribbon, and slowly the flower is forming. And so when you run out of ribbon, that's when you know the flower is finished. So at the end right here, you want to fold it at the end and just try to grab it with your other hand where you're holding the stem, and there's the flower. Now next part is to kind of close the flower, and the flower is depending on what you want to use. So first thing, we're going to get some floral tape and just kind of form the base first of the flower, and we're going to just fold it underneath here, kind of lining up at the top of the flower where you want to start rolling, and then start grabbing it and kind of grab it tight so that it doesn't like turn loose on you. And then just start twisting the flower and wrap it around a good 7 or 8 times before it's like it has a solid stem. And then you want to add either the stem, which is the metal piece, and you can just keep rolling, or if you want to prefer doing the pencil, same thing, just wrap the pencil over and do the same thing. And you're going to just wrap it over, tape, and just keep twisting until you get to the end of the floral tape. When you're done, and you just kind of twist it a little bit at the end, and there's the finished product. And then the next thing is to kind of tape, or you can glue, or you can just hang the gift tag over it. If it's a pencil, I would recommend that you just use a marker and just kind of decorate something here, or give them some stickers maybe to decorate the pencil, or it just looks nice the way it is. So this is the basically the craft. I think learning to make the flower is probably the hardest part. And that's it, Grace. If you have any questions, we can go over this in person again and then show it a couple of times. So that's it.